Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update graphics drivers on Windows 10. So the easiest way to do this is automatically, and you can do this automatically by right clicking the start menu icon, then select device manager. Then once you are here, search for display adapters and expand this section. Then select your graphics card, right click it and select update driver. Then click search automatically for drivers, and if Windows finds any drivers for your graphics card, it will download and install it automatically. After that, you're gonna have to restart your computer. However, you can also find the drivers for your graphics card manually, and to do that you're gonna have to open the web browser, then search for the name of your graphics card and drivers. You're gonna find the official manufacturer's page with the drivers for this graphics card. In my case it's AMD.com, but it can also be Intel or Nvidia official websites. Just open this website, then select your Windows version, then find the software without auto detecting and installing. So here is the latest driver for this graphics card. In order to download it, let's click download, then save the file, and then wait until the file is downloaded. In my case it's the .exe file, so the driver will install once I run this program. But you can also find zip files on the internet with your files. In such case you're gonna have to extract the folder of the zip folder into any directory on your computer. Then in order to install such driver from a zip file, you're gonna have to go back to the device manager, then select your display adapters, graphics card, right click it, select update driver again, browse my computer for drivers, then browse for the directory of the extracted zip file, and then select next, and the drivers will be downloaded and installed. But if you got an exe file like I did, then just open it and let it download and install drivers for your graphics card. Okay, now let's wait until the drivers are updated. In my case I got the two options, either to accept and express install the driver, or go with the custom installation options. In my case I can expand the additional options and select the software type I want to install. If I select the default driver, this will be suitable for most devices, just the driver update. If you want the driver only, however, you can select driver only and select the install location, which is basically irrelevant, just a location for your driver. And you can also perform a factory reset, but it's optional and I do not recommend doing it. So if you didn't select express installation, then you can select the settings that settings for your driver that you need, then click accept and install, and then just wait until the driver is installed. And once it's installed, you're gonna have to restart your computer for the changes to be applied. So that's how you update drivers for your graphics card on Windows 10. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.